Hi guys, I am Dr. Muhammad Ahmed, consultant cardiologist, specialist hospital Bangalore. So today I am going to teach you how to use a automatic BP apparatus at home for easy monitoring of blood pressure. So I am using Omron BP apparatus. The model number is HEM 7130. So the main secret of using the automatic machine to get an accurate reading is how we tie the cuff properly and how we measure the BP. So let me explain it to you, the parts of the BP machine. This is the BP apparatus. It requires 4 batteries to operate. Yeah, it has a start and stop button. It gives 3 readings: systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse rate or heart rate. And it has a memory of 10 or 20 readings. Okay, you can use a outside adapter to power it up also. Then there is a BP cuff. You get a medium sized BP cuff with when you buy a BP apparatus. If you are a obese person with big forearms, then you may have to buy a larger BP cuff. BP cuff, the size will be written here. This BP cuff is 22 to 32 centimeters in diameter. So let me start with using it like this. This is the BP this thing. So this has to be attached over here. We'll attach it here. Yeah. Then this is the systolic, this is the diastolic, and this is the pulse rate and heart rate. Okay. So let me tie the BP cuff and show you how to tie it. I'll tie it myself. Yeah. So if you measure the blood pressure over the clothes, then it doesn't give a accurate reading. As much as possible, you have to pull up your sleeves so that the bare skin is visible. Then this BP cuff has 2 markings. One is the arrow mark and one is the dot. Yeah. So this arrow mark should correspond to the middle of the forearm. And this dot corresponds to the little finger side of the forearm. So here they have written ART, A-R-T, that means artery. It has to coincide with approximately with the artery which is going under our skin. This is the brachial artery. If you press it hard, you can feel the pulsations. So this should sit on that one. Okay. So let's tie the BP cuff. So this BP cuff has to be used on left arm only. It cannot be used on the right side. The calibrations is for the left arm. So see, I have tied I have kept it in a proper way. The arrow is facing in the middle of the thing and the dot is facing to the little finger side of the forearm. Then you have to tie the BP cuff properly, tightly. See, I can't push my finger inside. So this is tight enough. Now I have to keep my forearm fixed, keep the BP apparatus fixed and press the start button. You should not shake it, it gives a wrong reading, but for the camera purpose I am tilting it. My blood pressure reading is 135 by 96. So usually when we measure the BP manually, we round off the values, but the machine doesn't round off. So usually if this reading, if I get it on the manual BP apparatus, I will say it is 130 by 90 approximately. So this reading is reasonably accurate. In our next video, we are going to compare this machine with the manual BP apparatus.